Hi, thanks so much for checking out the video. We're going to go through some more print ad sales that we've had this past week. As I record this on Sunday morning, May 19th, these are all ads that have sold the prior week. And let's start off, they're in chronological order this week. We're going to try something new, but let's start off all the way back in 1905 for this first one, for a product called None Such Mincemeat. Christmas time, 1905, this one sold for $12. This ad came out of an issue of Ladies' Home Journal, as you kind of see at the top of the ad right there, with the date on there, December 1905. Very nice sale. To 1918 we go, World War I era, this ad for log cabin syrup. Food will win the war, don't waste. There's an element there about rationing during wartime, $12 on this one as well. This is also from an issue of Ladies' Home Journal. Staying in 1918, this one sold for $19 plus shipping for the Columbia Grafanola, World War I era. You could see it's an in-home demonstration, and I put lady with hat. I thought that hat was kind of unique and interesting and maybe might appeal to some folks. There's a salesman in the home, the Grafanola. Very nice looking advertisement here, $19. Staying in 1918 for one more time. This one is for sun-kissed lemons, and you can see it has a lemon pie recipe, which I noted in my title. $12 on this as well. Photo of the lemon pie up there, and you can see reference to wartime pastries. You also have sun-kissed lemonade, just various ways to use a lemon. All right, now we are post-World War I, 1921, Borden's Eagle brand. It's condensed milk. More recipes on this one, and you can see it's a recipe winner, $100 prize back in 1921. Recipe there for the lemon ice cream, and there's several other ones. Sponge cake, macaroon pudding, frozen dainty, whatever that is. That sounds nice. Cinderella puffs, all that. $12. Jump ahead 1 year from that to 1922. This is for Crisco shortening, a print ad for frying greaseless desserts. More food stuff. The food ads selling well this past week. We have, once again, a recipe for apples with red currant jelly. Very attractive looking ad. There's the food. That one sold also $12. 1923, the sale came in last night as I record my video for Kotex tampons. The tampon ads, the sanitary napkins, all that good stuff seem to sell really well and at a premium. This one, no exception. $30 on this one for Kotex. You can see, let's see what it says. Telephone, you can ask by name. So you could do, even back in 1923, you could order this product via telephone, which is kind of nice to know. There's the old-fashioned telephone there. Lady making her order. $29.99 on that one, plus shipping. 1924 for a Drano ad. This one was a much smaller one, $12 as well. But this came out of an issue of Ladies' Home Journal. This is only an 8x3-inch ad. It's a pretty simple advertisement here for Drano. Staying in the Roaring Twenties, 1925. This is for Listerine Antiseptic. Very strange color combination in my view, but yet it's sold. And there are collectors for everything. This is definitely proof of that. $12 plus shipping on a Listerine ad from 1925. And the final 1920s ad, this is from 1926. It's for Carnation again, a little girl playing with her doll, kind of having like a tea date. And this is an issue that shows, actually it's hot cocoa it looks like. Cup and saucer, revelation in a cup of cocoa. And there you go, and that's a nice image, a little girl playing with her doll. That also sold for $12. Go up to World War II time, but there's really no reference in this ad to World War II, so I don't have it in my title. I typically will if it's of the time. But for whatever reason on this one, I didn't choose to do that, and it still sold $12. Good old V8 vegetable juice. I've had this ad up for quite a while. We're talking like 3 or 4 years, so it's great to see it sell. Everything sells, you see. $12, and that's the top half of the ad. That's the second half. That's the way I used to list my print ads on my regular printer scanner that I had, my everyday printer scanner. It could only accommodate, I think, 8.5 by 11, so I used to break up the scans into 2 pieces. $12 on that one. Great to see it go after so long. Up to 1946, this ad for Bell Telephone takes a whole new building. So apparently they built a new building to accommodate the demand. $12. And now finally, up to 1966 on this one. This is a fairly new listing, probably within a month or two, as I recall. Ford Automobiles, just talking about this blue-colored engine that they were apparently using in 1966. It's all the details about why they are painting their engines blue. Also a $12 sale. Well, that's a quick video. I just wanted to show everybody some of these ads that continue to sell for me. This is all from this past week. ending on Saturday, May 18th of 2024. Thanks so much for joining me. Please do leave a thumbs up on the video if you enjoyed the content and share it out to your friends and colleagues. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. Just hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you on board. We'll be doing live shows this coming week, Monday and Friday evenings. I look forward to seeing everybody on those. Hope you have a wonderful remaining weekend and a great week ahead. Thank you very much. Bye.